So I'm trying to print these grippers. This one was meant to be non-functional. That's what this one was supposed to be. For study. My overhangs, they slipped. And they aren't doing too good right there. But all in all, the model came out good. This one was meant to function, but my bridge gap under here and under the bottom here and right here fused together. The piston is movable, but due to the fact that my hinge fused during the print, it won't allow the jaw to move. So I've got, I think it's a 0.3 inch gap, not 0.3 millimeter, not 0.3 inch, 0.3 millimeter gap between there. So I guess I'm gonna just go all out and do a 1 millimeter gap. I think that may be the best thing. I may even try 1.5 to overdo it and have a lot of play in it just to see it move and then tighten it up as need be on the next print after that. Well, this is my gripper arm. You can see the piston under the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. That's the bottom piston. And what I would like to do is to add cameras to the gripper. So when using it on robotics, you can see exactly where the gripper will line up at and be able to do your application without having to climb. Well, I do injection molding, so I wouldn't have to climb inside of the molds or risk my life, because those are some huge molds with a lot of clamping force. I could simply move the robot up or down, side to side, or wherever it needs to be to get my position. And if you have multiple grippers, there should be a CCTV application somewhere available when using this, so you can see all of the cameras, individual or simultaneously. I think that would be excellent. So that's what I'm working on. I've got it. This was actually a 17-hour print, which is a very long time. So I'm gonna modify this with my 1.5 millimeter spacing on my hinge, and hopefully that'll put me where I need to be. In SolidWorks, I had to mate this to the hinge so it snapped to it. I'm hoping, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm hoping that when I put my gap here, it doesn't try to mate the faces. I think that's what it did. Tried to make the faces here. So I'm gonna have to modify it a different way. Yeah, okay, well anyway, I'll figure it out. Hopefully the next time I'm showing these, they'll be functional. Having some engineering fallouts with myself. So that's where I am. That's what's going on. Hopefully we'll get these cameras on it. I would also like some distance sensors. I don't know if the sonic sensors would be what I need to on this application, but I'm quite sure they would work. I can hook all this up via Arduino. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun here. So this is my free time project. Also, I've got this little doohickey that I 3D printed. It's a measuring gauge for a steering wheel insert to get it lined up. You know, having some problems at the job lining these up. So, yeah, I've got a little protractor gauge here to give me my angles of measurements that are off. I'm gonna eventually print the degrees on it. I just want to see if it works. I'm gonna take it to work today and try it out. See if I can get this alignment right. Yeah, but I'm having a ton of fun with the 3D printer. The CNC, I got some projects I'm working on that too. Not ready to show those, but believe me, this is excellent. Rudy out.